Good day, everybody. I trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. Allow me to speak to somebody. I know some people are going to say he's making a video and I don't like it. They will scroll past it. No, God bless you. God bless you. And I was on Facebook and my attention caught this post, and I want to bless somebody with it. And the post was saying, "What is man's rejection is God's redirection." I will say it again. What is man's rejection is God's redirection. Why I'm saying this is you've been rejected by many people. You've been rejected when you didn't get a job, and you felt like it's not gonna happen again. You've been rejected by your boyfriend. You've been rejected by anybody and everybody, but I'm here to tell you God is redirecting everything. God is redirecting your footsteps. God is about to do it. What you need to know is we are in this earth, but we're not of it, but we need to speak it. You may not have a job, but believe it, and God is redirecting it. Believe it, it shall happen. May God redirect it. And disappointment is nothing new. Disappointment is the order of the day. I get disappointed most of the times, but I don't let it sit on me. I let it slide off. I'm here to tell you, God is redirecting you. God is redirecting your footsteps. God is redirecting you for a new job. God is redirecting you for that house. God is redirecting you for anything that you've been praying for, anything that you're hoping for. God is redirecting him. May everybody who's watching this truly be blessed by it. Sons Nugela.